Claude Opus 4.6 might be grabbing the headlines, but 4.5 is the model that redefined what AI can actually do in a professional workflow. From breaking the 70% barrier on the SWE bench to its revolutionary effort parameters, there's a lot under the hood that most people are still missing. Today, we're doing a complete feature deep dive into Claude Opus 4.5 to make sure you're getting every bit of value out of Anthropic's powerhouse. This is an infrastructure upgrade designed to handle complex reasoning, coding, and enterprise workflows with a level of reliability we haven't seen before. Opus 4.5 expands the 200,000 token context window, but with a new architecture optimized for hybrid reasoning and programmatic tool use. So today, we aren't just going to read the spec sheet, we're going to build workflows for e-commerce, finance, and real estate that you can deploy tomorrow. Welcome to Plivo. Section 1, the core specs, or the engine. Before we get to the fun stuff, you need to understand 3 engines that drive Opus 4.5. Feature number 1, the rolling context window. 200,000 tokens is a lot, but in enterprise, you hit that fast. Previous models would just crash or forget original context. Opus 4.5 utilizes something called the long context handling. It utilizes a 200,000 token window to manage, summarize, and remember information across long, multi-day conversations and documents. This means your long-running agent doesn't get dementia after 3 days. It remembers the goal, even if it forgets the exact syntax after the first prompt. Feature number 2, the effort parameter. This is the game changer. It's a literal control knob for the model's brain. Set it to low effort and Opus 4.5 acts like a fast, efficient junior analyst, perfect for summarizing emails or routing tickets. Set it to high and it enters test time compute. It pauses and it thinks. It generates internal reasoning chains to verify its own work before it speaks. You can also use Claude Opus 4.5's medium effort setting, which acts as a balanced thinking dial, matching Claude Sonnet's 4.5's top coding performance while reducing output tokens by 76%. This mode is ideal for routing daily coding tasks, providing high quality results with improved efficiency and lowering costs compared to high effort. You use high effort for legal contracts, medical diagnosis, or complex code refactoring. You pay extra for more output tokens, but you get accuracy that rivals human experts. Feature number 3, programmatic tool calling. Old models would say, please check the weather. Opus 4.5 writes a Python script to check the weather, parse the JSON, and filter the data inside a sandbox. It doesn't just guess, it executes code. This reduces hallucination to near zero because it's relying on deterministic code, not probabilistic text generation. Section 2, e-commerce at scale. Let's apply this. In e-commerce, the battle is catalog rot. You have 10,000 SKUs, the descriptions are stale, the keywords are from 2024, and the tone is all over the place. We don't want to write one description. We want to clean the entire database. Here's the workflow. Number 1, export your entire product catalog. Number 2, export your competitors' top performing keywords. And number 3, upload both to Opus 4.5. Because of the 200,000 window, you can upload an entire catalog, say men's hiking boots all at once. Here's the prompt. Analyze this dataset, group items by technical specs, generate SEO descriptions that share a consistent, rugged but premium tone, inject these keywords naturally. Opus 4.5 looks at all 50 boots and ensures that the waterproof claim is written exactly the same for the $100 boot and the $300 boot. Consistency is king here. But let's go deeper. Sentiment correlation. Upload 5,000 customer reviews. Ask Opus, high effort, find the hidden correlations between return reasons and product features. It might tell you products with YKK zippers have a 40% lower return rate than products with generic zippers. That is an insight that changes your entire supply chain. If you like this video so far, consider dropping a like and subscribing for more AI related content just like this. Section 3, finance and the audit trail. Finance isn't just about math, it's about narrative. Why did revenue go down? Was it currency headwinds or poor sales? Analysts spend hours reading 10Ks and earning call transcriptions to find that answer. Opus 4.5 does it in seconds. Here's the workflow. Upload the Q3 earnings report, the Q3 earnings call transcript, and your internal forecast. Here's the prompt to use. Synthesize a risk summary. Highlight every instance where the CFO's spoken tone contradicted the written report. This is where high effort shines. It reads between the lines. It notices that the CFO hesitated when asked about guidance for Q4. It generates a variance table. Forecast said plus 10%, actual was plus 2%. And for compliance teams, the audit trail. You can ask Opus, why did you flag this transaction? It doesn't just say, it looks bad. It cites, violates section 4, paragraph B of the uploaded AML policy. It also preserves the reasoning block. You can show the regulator exactly how the AI came to that conclusion. That is defensible compliance. Section 4, real estate and zoning. Real estate is the messiest data industry on earth. PDFs, zoning maps, scanned deeds. Opus 4.5 is your acquisition analyst. Upload the zoning code for Austin, Texas, and a target property survey. Here's the prompt. Can we build a 4-story multifamily unit on this lot? Cite specific zoning codes that support or deny this. Opus 4.5 high effort traces the logic. Zone MF4 allows 4 stories, but the heritage tree ordinance on page 400 protects the oak tree in the corner, reducing buildability area by 20%. It also handles lease abstractions. Upload 50 commercial leases, ask it output a CSV of all tenants with a termination option in 2027. With the release of Claude Opus 4.6, one might be inclined to switch over to the next best offering from Anthropic. The pricing has remained the same between versions 4.5 and 4.6, with $5 for a million input tokens and $25 for every million output tokens. This makes it an incredibly safe bet for businesses looking to leverage AI in 2026. The advantage here is workflows that are business oriented, and now with the release of 4.6 and even Claude Cowork, more and more businesses in 2026 are looking to Anthropic to streamline their workflows and save that extra buck. For more AI updates and workflows, be sure to hit the subscribe button.